The second question is, what are the approaches in defining a job taxonomy in big data application? Job taxonomy are hierarchies that describe the attributes of a job or an occupation. In general, there are two approaches to define job taxonomy, that is occupational classification and occupational standards and framework. Each of those two kinds of defining job taxonomy have their own advantages and disadvantages. The advantage of using occupational classification is that they are well established in such cases of ISCO. That is ISCO is the International Standard Classification of Occupation by ILO, and it is where ISCO is being used as a reference by countries around the world to define a job taxonomy. Another advantage is that occupational classification can be multilingual in such cases in ESCO, whereby ESCO is being used in the European Union to describe and define that job taxonomy and be interpreted in various languages within the European Union. However, there are also disadvantages using occupational classification because their tendency to become very general to describe the job taxonomy. Those occupational classifications tend to be less granular, as described by Javed and Jacob in 2016. Occupational classification also tend to have long lead times to update. In such cases, reported by Javed and Jacob 2016, is around 10 years. A 10 years lead time to update is a very long time, and this could lead to, because the job environment, the nature of work tend to be very dynamic. As a way out of this, some applications in big data uses occupational standards and frameworks. Occupational standards and framework are more granular and tailored to the needs of a specific group of an occupation, such in the case of Beloff 2017, Demchenko 2017-2019, and Chan and Savino 2015. This is because occupational standards and framework have shorter lead time. As reported by Ahmad Bonner 2017, they are updated within 3 to 5 years. So because of this, occupational standards and frameworks are better in updating the context of work, the changing context of work within the period. However, there's a trade-off in this, is that they have a problem with establishment and multilingual issues.